Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Melta Jane Cuevas Esteban. I'm 25 years old, separated. I have one child. I am undergraduated of Bachelor of Science, Information and Technology.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Melta Jane. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, honest, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay, so how will you avoid your homesickness since you're a first-timer?
Sir, madam, to avoid my homesickness, I will keep myself busy to my duties and responsibilities.
So can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of an elderly person?
Sir, madam, will take care of elderly. I will give them nutritious food and give them their medicines and treat them as my parents.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I will apologize and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my family and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Melta Jane, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.